Homemade cough syrup. Conventional cough syrups can be high in sugar. Instead, try this homemade cough syrup recipe. The oils in this recipe will help to soothe the throat, boost the immune system and settle a cough. Homemade cough syrup. Total time, 2 minutes. Serves, 1. Ingredients: 1 drop lemon essential oil, 1 drop frankincense essential oil, 1 drop peppermint essential oil, 1 drop lavender essential oil, 1 spoonful honey. Glass jar. Directions: 1. Add the oils and honey to the jar. 2. Mix contents and then consume and swallow.